This is a special shout out to you guys at the DroneBot Workshop Forum. I really appreciate your help with this little project I've been working on. I do training and education for automotive diagnostics, teaching guys how to use scopes, voltage drop testing, really super basic electronics compared to what you guys are able to do and help me with. But the project does work. We got the idle, and then actually that's probably more like an engine cranking. This is closer to idle here, and then we can max this thing out like a race car. I believe this is getting us around 3,020 RPM as it sits right now. So it does work. On here I do have an amp clamp hooked up to the power that supplies all the injectors, and also have a probe into one of the fuel injectors here, just to show you guys kind of like the stuff that I look at. Let me clear out the rollers and hit the play button. Alright, we're recording, and so you have the amperage up top for all 4 injectors, and then each injector firing event is down here. What we like to see on the automotive stuff, let me pause this and unplug this. What we like to see on automotive fuel injectors is if we zoom in to a pattern here, we should see what we call the pintle bump, and that's that spot right there. That's the pintle falling through. So you got your injector that's turned on, it turns off, inductive kick or spike, and then as the pintle falls through, it kind of slows down a swoop of the inductive kick, I guess is what it's called. I don't know the scientific term for it, but if you guys do, that's awesome. Share with me, because I'm learning every single day. And also you can see the on the injector, you can see it when it opens, the fuel injector, the pintle bump. And let me see if I can make this. It's right here. You'll see it. It's not very as well defined, depending on how you scale it, but you can see right there. That's when the injector opens. And I saw you guys discussing a bit about RPM, and I'll show you how I figured that out. Basically, we have 720 degrees of crankshaft revolution between this injector event and this injector event. The Picoscope software for automotive has automatic RPM rulers built in, but we're not going to measure between these two events, because if we do, we'll see we have a higher number than we actually have, or should I say lower. That's showing 129 RPM. But what we need to do is split that in half. There's 2 ways we can do it with a Picoscope. You can draw out these rulers over here, which you put one at one event, and then put the other one at the other event of a 720 degree revolution of the engine, 2 revolutions of the engine, should I say, and you'll see 720, it marks out to 360. We knew that would be the middle injector firing event, so let me clear out these rulers, and we can just drag out a ruler, and this will automatically measure RPM. That's part of the nice stuff about the automotive software for what I do. But so we're at 256 RPM. That's what that measures. Thanks a lot, guys. I truly appreciate the help. If you guys have any automotive questions, please let me know, like automotive engine questions or stuff like that. I do have quite a background in that, programming cars and stuff like that, as far as firmware updates, not too much coding, as you saw my lack of experience there. Thank you.